Planning to ship a car to Scotland? Whether you're relocating, selling, or buying a vehicle, here's your essential guide to costs, methods, and key considerations. Shipping a car to Scotland typically costs between $2,000 and $3,700, depending on factors like departure port, shipping method, and vehicle size. For example, from New York to Grangemouth, $2,300, 24 days. From Los Angeles to Grangemouth, $3,200, 50 days. From Miami to Grangemouth, $2,300, 26 days. Delivery times generally range from 21 to 50 days, influenced by route, customs clearance, and final destination in Scotland. Two primary shipping methods are available: roll-on/roll-off, RoRo. Vehicles are driven onto the ship and secured. It's a cost-effective and faster option, but exposes your car to the elements. Container shipping. Your vehicle is placed inside a container, offering protection from weather and potential damage. It's ideal for high-value or classic cars. Choose based on your budget, timeline, and the value of your vehicle. To ship your car to Scotland, ensure you have the following documents: original vehicle title and registration, bill of sale, export declaration, AES filing, passport or visa, driver's license. Having these documents in order will help expedite the shipping and customs process. Upon arrival in Scotland, your vehicle will be subject to 10% import duty, 20% VAT on the total value, vehicle plus shipping plus duty, additional local charges at the port of entry. Ensure all fees are paid promptly to avoid delays. Shipping your car to Scotland doesn't have to be complicated. With the right preparation and knowledge, you can ensure a smooth and timely delivery.